In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unfollow any Facebook group that you joined using your smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. And from here, go ahead and first identify the group that you want to unfollow or to unjoin. Now you can find the groups by tapping on your profile image up here. And then this will take you to menu. Under menu, you can see we have an option called groups. If you can't see it, just tap on see more, tap on it. And then you'll be able to see all the groups that you joined. Should you want to unfollow any of the groups that you joined, just go ahead. For instance, I want to unfollow this group. Just go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, my current status is joined. There are two methods you can use to unfollow. One, you can tap on this drop down arrow. And if you tap on it, you'll see we have unfollow group option here, which you can select. Alternatively, you can head over to these three dots here and then tap on them. And then you'll see we have an option called unfollow group. So if you tap on unfollow group, it means you will no longer see content from this group on your feed. However, we also have another option called leave group. Now this is the best because if you select this, you can leave this group if you no longer want to be a member. So if you are a member of this group and you no longer want to be a member of the group, go ahead and tap on leave group. And you have left the group. And now you can see the status has changed to join group, which means I'm no longer a member of the group. And this group is private. You only become a member after you have been approved. So that's how you unfollow or leave any group on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.